So we're going to take it and we're going to roll it towards us. I roll towards me. And then, whoops, you have something that looks like this. Okay? So then we're going to, whoops, I did it wrong. We're going to take it, and you see how our wires are crossed. We're going to take, and we're going to put our thumb right here, and we're going to bend so that we have something that looks like this. Okay? Like this. We're going to leave it on our pliers, and we're going to take this piece and bend it around to make a wire wrapped loop. We're just going to keep wrapping, and it's going to wind up being a messy loop because that's what I like. So if you don't like messy loops, by all means, you know, you can fix that. And I'm going to take my chain nose pliers and I'm going to kind of squish these together like this. We're going to cut the short piece off, okay? I'm not going to cut the long piece, but we're going to cut this short piece right here like this, okay? And then we are going to flatten out, go around, make sure it's not pokey. And if it's pokey, this one's going to be okay because we are going to kind of cover this with some wire. Okay, this is what we have. Straighten our wire out. And that's what our reference looks like. Okay, so we take our piece and we are going to drop it down. I'm going to drop it down. This is going to be the top. Let's see how I did this other one. If I want the long piece at the top or the short piece. We'll see how it looks. We're designing on the fly on this one because they're not going to be the same. Let's see. I like the bottom. The fatter piece at the top. So this is what we have, okay? So we are going to take our loop. We're going to make sure we hold it like this. And we are going to pull our wire up once, twice, and we're going to bring it up a third time. I think I did 3. Yeah, 3 times. Okay, and then we're going to start wrapping around. And you can wrap it as much or as little as you want to, but I'm going to bring it back down here to the bottom. So this is what we have right here. I did the 2 pieces right here on the front of the other one, so we're going to do this one on this side. But we're going to cut this off right here really close. Okay, we're going to take our chain nose pliers and we're going to pull it on around. We're going to push that in there so that you can't feel it. And this is what it looks like. And then we're going to take our ear wires, and these are from Beebeecraft. These are from Bead Box Bargains as well. So we are going to open it up, and remember to always open either towards you or away from you so that it looks like this. Never open it this way. Okay, we're going to take this and slide it on. And we're going to hold it and make sure it lays like we want it to. And then we're going to close it back up. And there we go. There's the one we just made. And here is the one I had made previous. They're going to look like this. And there we have it. That's our earrings. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, this quick tutorial. I know it wasn't very long, but, you know, it was simple and easy. Please subscribe and leave a comment down below. And please ring the notification bell for more videos like this. Also, I do hauls, and I think you will enjoy those as well. And please give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And I hope y'all have a blessed, fabulous day. And sparkle on, family. Bye.